Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romani. I'm actually about to go to the gym, but since my hair is like this, I figured I should just record it because it only takes me like literally 10 seconds. So if you want to learn how to do this style with your hair, keep watching. So I'm just starting off with my locks in their natural state. Then I take my scarf and I flip it over into a triangle shape. After I do that, I flip all my hair to the front and then I place the scarf at the back of my head. And then I cross it in the front and then I'm going to tie it in the back. And then this little piece right here, I'm just going to tuck that in because I don't really like it when it's out. But when I get done with that, I just fix it and, play with it a little bit. And this was the finished look. I hope that this was beneficial for everybody, and I just thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys next time.